You feel like if you did get the opportunity to, grow on better way, what you wish you did experience from your born until now, growing up? Like, as a little youth, one of the things where you wish you did get as a child?
Yeah, more like my daddy when he did it for me. He even talk with me and say, boy, son, I want you to be a better man or wherever. I miss a lot, brother. I miss a lot. Yeah, I want a few little words, thing like that. But check it out, my father was not there. Even my mother was not there. So I go through some rough time because mommy and daddy was not there. I go through a lot of pain and hurts. Yes, it go a lot like this. I was like feeling like a castaway growing up in the community of Chancel. What me really look for and what me get. I feel like everybody was against me, like the world is against me. My grandmother grew me up as that. And me dey look for love. Want to know what love is like about. Because through me as a child, never when they get it before, me want to know what this is now. Me still a search for it. And it no make no sense me search for it out in the world. Well, man like me, if nobody no love me, me go and love myself for who I am. You understand? Yeah, me have a love. You can't share for every single one. But it seems like everyone that's running away from love. From a longer while, me no like hurt. Me like to love somebody. That's the kind of man I am.
Real talk.
Yeah, because me feel love in myself. And me know say the word of God say God is love. So me find that in my inner man. Yeah. Me's a caring youth. And when a girl come in my life, I care for them as much as I would care for myself. I would love them just like I love myself. And that is the love I try to give to most women that I met with. But them seems to broke my heart because of not pushing that kind of love to me. Me a cook, you a wash. Me a wash, you a cook. Me a clean down the place, you a help spread up the bed or thing like that. It's like we help out each other. We build upon a balance level. You kind to me kind to you. You understand? Love is not about fussing and fighting. Love is not about the long knife drawing at me. And me a box you down and kick you down. I'm brutal to you. That is not love. Love is not about to puff up on each other. Anything go wrong, we can talk it over. And we in love again. Because love no need no fuss nor no fight. Love we need united. Unite we stand, divided we fall. So, woman, this is my few words to uno all. Yeah.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.